This is the trading review for the 24th of October 2022. Uh, it's the first trading day. It's of the third week. Or the last week actually. It's it is last week. It's a Monday, and it was a complicated day. Everything well, I had a late start, and everything was a bit on the gray area. Apple moved at 2:30, but a 5-minute entry was not possible. So I was also watching Nvidia, but Nvidia also did not offer really a good entry in the first half hour. And then there was no move. So I'm glad I took those trades on Roblox. Roblox open week. We had a bullish day, but it ended up being a breakout to the downside and not the upside. We had a bullish day, bullish pivots, but we had a breakout day, and we sold off all the way to S3. The play here was a rejection of the S4 level once again, since we missed the S6 reversal, which was really hard to take and time. We had some stroll here at 12:35. We didn't take this entry because the 5-minute had a buyer's wick at the bottom, and when we dropped above. We broke. We had this breakdown of the 5-minute candle above the S4 level, so it's gonna be a little bit choppy here. But maybe I could have taken it using the 1-minute candle here, but I decided to just wait for a better entry on the 5-minute candle, and I felt that we got it a little bit here. Um, we dropped a little too much for my liking, but I made my entry on the pullback. Uh, I tried to make an entry at the break of the 1-minute candle, but the stock dropped too fast, so I had a late entry. And on the pullback, I added a little bit to the position to fix the share size because this drop happened too fast. But then we got stopped out on the next 4 minutes, and this was an okay entry, although it was a little bit late. We had the moving averages dropping below the S4 level, but we just got stopped out to this level. uh, we had a rejection, and we didn't get any more volume for an S4 reversal. And I realized that the market was dropping, and we had some sales at the time on sales. So as we dropped with this long 1-minute candle, and as we were engulfing the 5-minute candle, I made an entry at 41.70 with a stop loss at 41.80. So much better stop loss, more well-defined area, and a much better entry as well. And as you can see, it worked out rather rapidly. I was gonna wait for 41.40 to take a partial at 3R, uh, but I didn't want to risk having the stock reject BWAP too fast and then stop us out and not take advantage of this move at 2R, because the partialing method for this kind of breakout is 2 to 1, one partial and then accordingly. So I did the right thing by partialing sooner at 2R, which is what is required. Well, a little more than 2R, but still not significant. And then and the next R, two more R, and then at 41.24 for a total move of two, 4 R and a half move. but that just gave us a net gain of 1R. So it's a very interesting two trades. Uh, I was a little bit fearful because I knew I had too much on the line with this trade. So I adjusted my profit targets accordingly to just focus on this trade and forget about the previous trade. So I'm proud that I did follow the process and did the correct profit taking technique because I didn't want to be too ambitious and and partial too little here. Just for a move, just used to hope for a move that never happened. I was expecting a move to 41 or at least test this level, but we rejected it too fast, so there was no way for us to partial more than this. So this is good, and because we ended the day at goal, we didn't um, take any more trades. So two trades, two of them are good, but only one of them we just got stopped out because we got a late entry and the stop loss was not perfect enough, but a very good trade nonetheless. So we're gonna go to the month of October and look here. You got okay. So this is the weekly review that I have to do. We got 2R. I don't believe we broke rules today. We did complete or oh, this was an excellent day. It's for short breakout. Okay, excellent. The first trade was sure we had an outside day. It was bullish. We opened inside, but just barely. We did make our entry after compression, but we just got stopped out before the drop. All of this is the same for the second trade. Got 3.2 out of this trade. No, and this could also be an A trade, but our stop loss was not good enough. You simply dropped too fast, and that was mostly due to the lack of volume, but that also was a clear indication that we were going to have a drop. So, not a bad sample, I would say. I need to review this and see what mistakes I made previously. Probably really early entries. All of these are B trades, but not a lot of winning trades. But yeah, that's it for the trading review. Only two trades made goal. We are having a good month. Slow progress, little by little. So yeah, that's it for today.